Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In this video, we are going to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers and Chrome driver to execute our automation script. In addition to this, we are going to set up Maven dependencies, everything from scratch, which is required to build TestNG and Cucumber framework using Selenium Java. So first, we are going to download Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Open Google Chrome and type Eclipse download. Click on the first link which appears. From this page, click on download packages. Scroll down and you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here are the systems. If you are a Windows user, you can download Windows x86-64. If you are a MacBook user with Intel processor, you can download Mac OS x86-64. If you are a MacBook user with M1, M2 chips, you can download this AARCH64. Click on it. Click on this download button. As you can see, Eclipse Java 2024 zip folder is getting downloaded. It's downloaded. Open it in the folder. And you need to click on this. And click on this Eclipse. It will ask us to open. Open. This is the default dashboard of Eclipse. Just close this welcome tab. And here the default dashboard of Eclipse looks like this. Our second step is to create a project. So you can click on create a Java project. Give the project name. I am giving it as web automation. And everything is defaultly selected. Just uncheck this module. Click on next. And then click on finish. You can see we have successfully created the Java project. Now it's time to add the dependencies related to TestNG, Cucumber, Selenium Java. For that, open your Google Chrome and type mvn repository. You can click on the Maven repository. Click on the first link which appears. Maven repository is the central repository. So we want Selenium Java. Just search Selenium. And you can see the first one is Selenium Java. Click on it. I am going to add the latest version of Selenium Java, which is 4.25. Click on this link. So you can add Selenium Java in two ways. You can click on this view all, download all these jar files and add it in your project. And one more easy thing is we can just copy these 4 lines of dependency and add it in our pom.xml file. Instead of doing this hard work, it's better to copy this dependency and add it. Go to Eclipse. Currently we have created Java project, but to add the Maven dependencies, we need to convert this Java project into Maven. Right click on the project and you can see the option called configure. Click on that and you can see the action convert to Maven project. Click on it. So it will ask us the group ID and artifact ID. You can give anything. I am giving group ID as web application automation and artifact ID as Selenium Java. Click on finish. You can see after clicking on finish, it has created a pom.xml file, pom.xml. So here we need to add all the dependencies. Below this version tag, open the tag with dependencies. As it is auto suggestive, select it. So there will be the open tag and close tag dependencies, and inside these dependencies we can give all the dependencies. We have copied Selenium Java 4.25 dependency. So I am going to paste it in pom.xml. Let's add another dependency which is TestNG. Type TestNG and search. The first one org.testng. Click on it. And the latest version is 7.10.2. Click on that. Just copy the dependency. Go to Eclipse pom.xml and paste it. Let's also add the dependency for Cucumber. Type here Cucumber and search. First one, Cucumber JVM Java, click on it. And the latest version is 7.20.1. Click on it. Copy this dependency, paste it in your pom.xml. Let's also download Cucumber TestNG dependency. Type here Cucumber TestNG and click on search. Click on the first one, Cucumber JVM TestNG. Select the latest version 7.20.1. Copy the dependency, paste it in your pom.xml. We have successfully added dependencies for Selenium Java, TestNG, Cucumber and Cucumber TestNG. We just need to add these 4 lines of dependencies instead of downloading all these jars and placing it in our project. Thus the advantage of Maven project. We only need to add these 4 lines of dependencies and everything will build automatically. Make sure to click on this build automatically. It should be always checked. So after adding all these dependencies, save it, Ctrl S, and if you open this project, you can see the Maven dependencies got automatically added. So we have not downloaded anything, we just added these lines of dependencies and everything is in our project. Thus the advantage of Maven project, and that is the reason we have converted the Java project into Maven project. In future, if you want to add anything, just go to Maven repository and just search here, and you need to just copy these 4 lines of dependencies and paste it in your pom.xml. One final step we need to do is to download Chrome driver, because Selenium communicates to web browser with the help of Chrome driver or any browser driver. Open Google Chrome and click on Chrome driver download. You can select this Selenium downloads, scroll up, and here you can see these browsers. Click on it, and I want to download the Chrome driver. Click on this documentation link and click on this Chrome for testing availability dashboard. Here are the versions. The stable version is 130.0.6723. Before downloading, make sure to check the version of your Chrome browser. Just click on these 3 dots and click on help, and you can see about Google Chrome option. Click on that, and here is the Chrome version. In my system the version is 130.0.6, so I am going to download this stable version. So there are different options. If you are a Windows user with 64 bits, you can download this Win64. Just copy this link and paste it in the tab and it will automatically get downloaded. Same way, if you are the Windows user with 32-bit, copy this link and paste it in the new tab. If you are a MacBook user with Intel processor, copy the link of Mac x64 and paste it in the new tab. If you are a MacBook user with M1, M2 chips, then copy this link of Mac ARM64 and paste it. Let me show you. Open the new tab and paste, hit enter. You can see it is downloading. Zip folder is downloaded here. Just open it in the folder and unzip. After unzipping, click on this, and this is our Chrome driver. Copy this Chrome driver and paste it somewhere, because we don't need this zip file. I am deleting it, and we also don't need this. We only need this Chrome driver. That's pretty much about downloading the Chrome driver and Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and we have also added all the dependencies that is required to build TestNG and Cucumber frameworks. We also need to install the plugins of TestNG and Cucumber from Eclipse Marketplace. Click on Help and click on the Eclipse Marketplace. It will take few seconds to load. In Eclipse Marketplace, search TestNG. You can see the TestNG for Eclipse. Click on this install. It will take few seconds to install. Click on confirm and finish. Same thing we also need to do it for Cucumber. Go to Eclipse Marketplace, search for Cucumber You can see Cucumber Eclipse plugin 1.0.0. Click on install. In MacBook, it will ask for trust authorities, so click on trust selected. After installing in Eclipse Marketplace, click on install tab and you can see Cucumber Eclipse and TestNG for Eclipse are installed successfully. I hope you understood. Thank you.